And not to start things off too dramatically here or anything like that, but this stack of papers I'm holding and flipping through now, this is the list of storm snowfall reports that have come into us from the tracking center just within about the past 3 hours or so. That does include portions of northern Ohio and northern Indiana as well. As far as our area is concerned, about 3 to 5 inches area wide. Some locations in parts of northern Indiana saw a little bit more than that. Just got a report in of almost 10 inches west of Fort Wayne. We did miss the heaviest of that precipitation. What I want to do is stop this radar. Notice how quickly the snow is seeming to evaporate, at least is what it looks like on this radar here. Tracking what's in eastern Berry County now to Interstate 69 by 12:45. What's near the Portland area, east of Ionia, into the Lansing location by about 12:45. And I wanted to show you what's left over of the weather alerts. These running through about 4 o'clock this afternoon for our southern tier of counties. And just getting a report, you may have heard that beeping. I'm reading right now from the National Weather Service in northern Indiana. They are going to let the winter storm warning go until 4 o'clock. Same thing for the winter weather advisory you see in purple there, where the snow is still continuing early this afternoon, but it will be exiting the southern counties here in southwest lower Michigan within about the next hour or so. Residual effects, though, snow covered in slippery roads. So here's snow totals from West Michigan, what came down this morning. About 5.5 inches in Benton Harbor and Berrien County, 5.5 inches in Hastings, 5.1 in St. John's, just north of Lansing, Bangor and Van Buren County, just under 5. Official reading from the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids came in at 4. Similar readings, Granville and Oshtemo, and you can see that 3.5 inches in the Kalamazoo area. So we are going to get a break this afternoon, but lake effect snow will take over tonight and Thursday as the wind turns its way northwest and then westerly. Tomorrow, west-southwest. So we'll see some scattered snow showers for even inland locations. Looks like about 1 to 3 inches. Most of that, especially those 2 and 3 inch amounts, should fall west of US 131, and we keep the below normal temperatures in place through the middle of the month of February. 20 right now in Grand Rapids, 17 in Fremont, where they just had a wind gust to 18 miles an hour. Wind gust, the latest in Ionia at 26. Similar conditions in Battle Creek. That brings our wind chills into the single figures for most of us. These will hold around 10, if not a little bit lower through the afternoon. You can see the actual high temps today. Low to mid 20s, winds stay out of the northwest at about 10 to 20 miles an hour. As far as tomorrow is concerned in the Grand Rapids area, some light accumulations possible, an inch or two with an air temp of 18 degrees. Wind chills tomorrow hold at or a little bit above 0 because it will remain breezy. So the snow coming tonight and tomorrow, not a ton, but likely enough to make the morning commute a little bit slick. Grand Rapids to Kalamazoo and points westward. Notice temperatures staying in the teens on Friday, just a few flurries there. 22 Saturday. We'll start the day dry. Looks like we'll see some light snow develop Saturday evening. That continues into the day on Sunday. No big storms, Emily, coming up in the 8-day forecast, and no brutal cold, but we see occasional snow and below normal temperatures right on through the middle of February.
Well, that's winter for you. That's nothing extreme, though.
Yeah, we have what that is a very regular February forecast. Nothing significant.
We can certainly handle it after what we've been through.
My gosh, we're hardy souls, aren't we?
Yes, we are. Thank you, Laura.